Let's draw a chicken. First, let's start with the eyes. Draw a circle. Now draw half of a circle like a C. Now let's draw the nose. Attached to the eyes, draw a straight line, and then make a sideways V, and connect it. Kind of looks like a carrot. Next, attached to the nose, let's draw the gobblers. Draw two C's. One C, two C. Next, let's draw the head feathers. We're gonna draw 3 upside down U's. 1, 2, 3. Bring that in a little bit more. Now, for the back, we're gonna draw a big upside down U. For the stomach, we're gonna do the same. Leaving a little bit of room for the tail feathers. First, let's draw a nice backwards C and some more backwards C's. Now we'll draw the wing. We'll just draw a U shape and then add in some backward C's for feathers. Now let's add the legs and his feet. And his spurs. Go Gamecocks. Don't forget to add his eyes. Now let's be silly and add a quote. The early bird gets the worm. But can he get a thumbs up? Please like my videos and subscribe. It encourages me to make more, and it helps more people see my page.